Ready to launch your car dealership in South Carolina? This guide will walk you through every step to get your dealer license, open your lot, and start selling. Without the confusion. Stick around for tips on saving time with your surety bond and insurance, plus a clear roadmap to get you licensed fast. Before applying, decide what type of dealer you want to be. This decision shapes your application and business operations. Will you be retail, dealing directly with the public, or wholesale, dealing with other dealerships? South Carolina offers different license types for the motor vehicle industry. There's the motor vehicle dealer license for retail sales, the motor vehicle wholesaler license for sales to other dealers, the wholesale auction license for auctions exclusively for licensed dealers, the motorcycle dealer license for retail motorcycle sales, and the motorcycle wholesaler license for wholesale motorcycle transactions. Each license has its own requirements and regulations. Match your business plan to the license type that fits your activities. Choosing the right license now prevents headaches and delays later. If you're applying for a used motor vehicle dealer license, you must complete an 8-hour in-person pre-licensing course. This covers laws, paperwork, advertising, and ethics, essential for running a compliant dealership. Only take courses from SCDMV-approved providers. Once finished, you'll get a certificate. Keep it safe, as it's required for your application. No certificate, no license. Treat this as your dealership's driver's ed. It's mandatory. Your dealership's physical location is a cornerstone of your business. It must have a dedicated, permanent office space to manage your business, meet with clients, and handle paperwork. This office needs to be at least 96 square feet to accommodate a desk, filing cabinets, and a meeting area. You'll also need a dedicated display lot. This display lot should be a minimum of 2,000 square feet to showcase your vehicles and attract potential customers. This office and lot must be in a dedicated commercial space. No shared spaces are permitted. This ensures your dealership operates as a distinct and professional entity. You'll need a professional sign prominently displaying your business name. This sign needs to be easily visible from the street, with letters at least 6 inches high. Before signing a lease, obtain zoning approval from your city or county. This confirms you're legally permitted to operate a dealership at your chosen address. Failing to obtain zoning approval can result in fines and closure. Prepare a simple sketch illustrating the layout of your office, display lot, and business sign placement to help authorities assess compliance. These location requirements are non-negotiable to ensure fair competition and protect consumers. Overlooking these requirements can significantly delay or reject your application. To avoid setbacks and ensure a smooth licensing process, meet all location requirements up front for a successful dealership launch. Register your business with the South Carolina Secretary of State. Don't operate under your personal name. Choose a structure. LLC and corporation are most common for liability protection. Consult a professional to pick the best fit for your goals. File your formation documents online and get your official registration. Make sure your business name is unique and available. You'll need this documentation for your DMV application. A surety bond is required, no exceptions. It protects customers and the state from fraud or unethical practices. Most dealers need a $50,000 bond. Motorcycle dealers/wholesalers need $25,000. You pay a small premium based on your credit, not the full bond amount. Use a reputable provider. All American Bonds and Insurance at quickerbonds.com can get you bonded fast. Get the original signed bond form for your application. No bond, no license. Use the link in our description for more information on how to obtain your bond. Garage liability insurance is mandatory in South Carolina for all licensed dealerships. It's not just a suggestion, it's the law. This type of insurance is specifically designed to protect your business from the unique risks associated with operating a car dealership or repair shop. It protects your business, inventory, and customers. Think of it as a safety net, safeguarding your assets and providing financial protection if someone gets injured or their property is damaged while on your premises or due to your business operations. This includes everything from the vehicles you have for sale to the building itself, and most importantly, the people who visit your dealership. It covers accidents, whether they happen on your lot during a test drive, or even off-site if an employee is running a business-related errand. Garage liability insurance steps in to cover the costs associated with these unforeseen events. Theft. Unfortunately, dealerships are often targets for theft. Garage liability insurance can help cover the cost of stolen vehicles or parts, minimizing your financial losses. Fire, and more. Garage liability insurance offers broad protection, extending to damages caused by fire, vandalism, or even certain natural disasters depending on your specific policy. It's about having peace of mind, knowing you're covered against a wide range of potential hazards. South Carolina sets minimum coverage requirements for garage liability insurance to ensure a basic level of protection for all dealerships. However, these minimums may not be sufficient for your specific needs. So, work with an agent who knows dealer policies. A knowledgeable agent can assess your unique risks and recommend the appropriate coverage levels to fully protect your business. Don't skimp on your coverage. Get coverage that matches your risks and inventory value. Consider the value of your vehicles, the size of your operation, and the potential for accidents when determining your coverage needs. Bundling your bond and insurance can save time and money. Many insurance providers offer discounts when you bundle your garage liability insurance with other necessary coverage, such as your surety bond. Proof of insurance is required for your application to obtain or renew your dealer license. Make sure your policy is compliant with all South Carolina regulations before you submit your application. Non-compliant policies can lead to delays or even rejection of your license application. For more information on how to obtain your garage liability insurance, visit quickerbonds.com using the link in our description. Before signing a lease, schedule a pre-inspection with the SCDMV to confirm your location meets all requirements. Call 803-896-2611 to set it up. This step prevents costly mistakes and ensures your site is compliant before you invest. Don't skip it. Get peace of mind early. Get a Federal Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. It's your business's tax ID, required for taxes, banking, hiring, and your dealer application. Apply online at irs.gov. It's fast and free. Even sole proprietors should get one to keep business and personal finances separate. Save your EIN confirmation for your application packet. Retail dealers must register for a South Carolina retail sales tax license to collect and remit sales tax. Apply online via My Doorway at the Department of Revenue. Wholesalers need a resale certificate for tax exemption on inventory purchases. Both are required for your DMV application. Make sure you have the right paperwork for your license type. Don't let missing tax documents hold up your approval. You'll need a local business license from your city or county. This is separate from your state registration. Contact your local business license office for requirements and fees. Fees vary by location and projected revenue. Get your license and include a copy in your DMV application. No local license, no dealership. Every owner, partner, and officer must complete a national criminal background check through the SCDMV's official vendor, Premier Biotech. Register online, get fingerprinted, and allow up to a week for processing. Certain convictions can disqualify you, so be upfront. Plan ahead. Don't let this step delay your application. The DMV receives your report electronically. Complete this for every principal before moving forward. Prepare your SCDMV fees. $150 application fee, one time, plus $20 per dealer plate, minimum one plate. Calculate how many plates you'll need for your business. Renewal and change fees are also $150. Extra plates after approval are $1 each. Pay all fees together to avoid delays. Double-check your totals before submitting. Incomplete payments can stall your application. If you'll offer in-house financing, file the Consumer Credit Grantor Notification and Maximum Rate Schedule with the Department of Consumer Affairs. Planning to charge a documentation (DOC) fee? File SCDMV Form DLA-1C with the DMV, stating the exact amount. These forms ensure transparency and compliance. Only complete them if they apply to your business model. Uniform application of DOC fees is required. Get these forms ready if needed. Most dealers must enroll with an approved electronic vehicle registration (EVR) vendor to process titles and registrations online. Choose from authorized providers like Solera Title Tech, DDI Technology, or CVR. Sign up, get trained, and obtain proof of enrollment. Include this proof in your DMV application. EVR streamlines your paperwork and is now required by law. That's your complete South Carolina dealer license roadmap. Follow each step, use trusted partners, and double-check your paperwork for a smooth approval. Like, subscribe, and drop your questions below. I'm here to help. Good luck launching your dealership.